In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and navigate streams in Hootsuite. Hootsuite is an influential tool that allows you to manage your social media accounts seamlessly from one platform. Whether you're a social media manager juggling multiple accounts or someone who just wants to stay on top of their social media game, setting up streams in Hootsuite can be a real game changer. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser, whether that's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever one you prefer. In the address bar, type in hootsuite.com. Once the page loads, it's time to log into your Hootsuite account. You should see the login button prominently displayed. Click on it and then enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there are options to create one. But assuming you're already set up, go ahead and log in. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the Hootsuite dashboard. On the main menu, you'll notice an option labeled Streams. Click on it, and this is where the magic begins. Streams in Hootsuite allow you to monitor various aspects of your social media presence in one consolidated view. Now, one of the first things you'll need to do is choose the social network and profile you want to manage. This could be your professional page on Facebook, your business's Twitter account, or any other profiles you've linked to your Hootsuite. Now, if you want to add new streams, look for the option that says Add Stream. Click on that, and you'll see a variety of stream types you can add. For instance, you can select the home feed stream to get a bird's eye view of recent activity from your network. Alternatively, the mention stream will highlight who has mentioned you, providing insights into your social footprint. Similarly, if you want to keep track of your direct or private messages, opt for the messages stream. For those interested in certain topics or trends, the search stream is invaluable as it allows you to track specific keywords or hashtags. And if you're a planner, you'll find the scheduled stream particularly useful for viewing your upcoming posts. Make sure to enter any required information like a specific hashtag or keyword if you've selected a search stream. Once that's done, the stream will pop up on your dashboard and will update in real time, ensuring you never miss a beat. The great thing about Hootsuite is that you can add multiple streams for different profiles and purposes. This allows you to keep an eye on everything happening across your social media presence in one place. And lastly, don't forget that Hootsuite isn't just for observing. You can actively engage through these streams by liking, commenting, or sharing posts directly from Hootsuite itself. This can be a terrific way to stay connected and engage with your audience without having to leave the dashboard. With this setup, you're all set to streamline your social media management efficiently.